If you want to get Saily eSIM at a lower price, you need a special Saily coupon code. To get it, just scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Both will apply the latest Saily discount. You just need to choose your destination and select the data plan, and you'll see a discounted price at checkout. If you're not sure how much data you might need and which plan to use the Saily deal on, here's a quick guide. The smallest 1 or 3 GB plans are best if you only plan to use eSIM for travel on maps, messaging, write apps, and just occasional browsing. Using the Saily eSIM coupon code on 5 or 10 GB plans will be enough for travel connection necessities and some occasional scrolling. But if you're a frequent traveler who likes to stay online, you might want to upgrade to 20 GB or unlimited plans. You can use these as hotspots for streaming content or simply to make sure you're always connected on a long trip. You can top up your plan at any time in the Saily app if you accidentally blowed through your data. And there's also an option to get regional plans if you're visiting multiple countries in one trip. All plans have a 30-day activation period, after which they automatically become active, so don't buy your data too early. I always do it just a couple of days prior to the trip, install the eSIM, and activate it right before I take off. I usually get connected within a couple of minutes after I land. A nice perk with Saily eSIM specifically is that it also includes built-in security features like ad blocking to help you save data, web protection tools to block malware, and virtual location tools if you want to catch up with shows at home. That's some of my Saily eSIM tips, but the biggest one is still the same. Don't forget to make use of the Saily discount. You can grab the Saily eSIM coupon code through this QR code. Or just grab the same Saily coupon code via the link below. If you need help installing it, we've got a tutorial on the channel, so check it out. Happy travels.